Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a really quick video for someone trying to repair SUMEC 65-inch Ultra LED TV ULD65SU4KC. Never heard of that. And this was brought by a local TV technician that we often work with. Literally, they said that they narrowed it down to the TCOM board and something doesn't work up, and they cannot find that TCOM board anywhere in the United States. They found it somewhere in UK, and after some quick examination, there was a problem with a 4 ohm resistance over filter capacitors, this row here. There was like 3-4 ohms over there, so we tried, got all of them out. That didn't change the problem, so we kept on looking around, which led us to that IC and this same filter cap here, which turned out to be the problem. Let me get it. And this is capacitor, and this is what you got on it. Now, I don't know the value of that one. One good guess will be to take off those, measure it, and put the same here. It's just a filter, noise filter cap. But based on past experience, I'm just gonna hack 10 microfarads, 50 volts there, and go to hell with it. I'm pretty sure I will write in the description of the video after I hear from our friend whether it works or not, but I'm nearly certain it will work. I've seen similar problems on other cheap Chinese TCOMs. I do expect it to work. Best of luck to you out there.